Whew. Today I'm showing you our new workshop, our new shop. What's up guys, my name is Kamil, this is Gorilla Project Car. With the end of the E46 Compact Flip project, the silver one that recently passed the inspection, which is awesome. I built the car that passed inspection, that's awesome. With the end of that project, I decided to end my journey in the barn. Why? Because I don't know if you had an experience working in the barn. It's dusty, it's cold, and it's for me it was very far away from where I live. I had to drive like 3 hours one way to get to the barn, which is not convenient. So to end my problems with uneven dirt floor and the cold and the distance, I decided to rent this place. As you probably already see, the main benefit with this place is the size of it. It's an 86 square meter warehouse that I'm gonna adapt for my use, and I can fit a car and run around it on both sides. Yep. The benefit is a lot more room, but there's another one, which is this place is a lot closer to where I live right now. And I mean a little bit less than an hour of driving. So that's a major gain. My Touring is right now parked in the middle of the warehouse, which gives me enough room to fit 2 more cars in here. But if I give more thought to the way I park this car, I could fit 5 cars in here, which is a lot. Yeah, there are disadvantages like the noise from the train, which is very close here. Yeah, that's the only disadvantage right now, and I see that I'm gonna need to work a little bit on the light here. But other than that, I can fit 5 cars, and I am intending to bring my GTI and my blue E46 Compact to this place to fix both of those cars, and also work on this to make it run better. I brought a few of my things from the barn, and I will take them out of the car and brush the whole place. You already saw it, so I'm not gonna make this video any longer because there's nothing more today apart from me taking stuff out of the car and brushing the floors. But if you have any ideas how I can arrange this place, let me know in the comments. Stay safe, hydrated, have fun, and bye.